Hello, welcome to That's in Kitchen. Today we are making a super simple and delicious oven baked cauliflower. This recipe is incredibly easy and turns out tender and fragrant every time. First, let's remove the leaves from the cauliflower. Now let's slice the cauliflower into pieces that are about 2 inches wide. This size is perfect for even cooking, and make sure each piece gets nicely roasted in the oven. Be careful while cutting to keep the pieces as uniform as possible. Once we have got our cauliflower slices ready, place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. This helps prevent sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Next, we are going to prepare our seasoning mix. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. To help the spices stick and add some richness, apply 2 tablespoons of olive oil with a brush over the cauliflower slices. Mix everything well until the spices are fully combined. Pour the seasoning mixture over the cauliflower slices, ensuring they are evenly coated. Now it's time to bake. Place the tray in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius and let it bake for 20 minutes. This will start to soften the cauliflower and infuse it with those delicious spices. After 20 minutes, take the tray out and carefully turn each piece of cauliflower over. This helps ensure that both sides get evenly roasted and develop a nice golden brown color. Apply another 3 tablespoons of olive oil over the cauliflower. Thank you, Tan. I forgot the seasoning the other side. It was delicious, but I missed the opportunity. Return the tray to the oven and bake for another 30 minutes at the same temperature. During this time, the cauliflower will become perfectly roasted and deliciously fragrant. And there you have it, delicious baked cauliflower ready to serve. This dish is not only healthy, but also packed with flour. It is perfect as a side dish or even as a snack. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.